This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fun, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. House Talk Inc., where your stories begin.
Ready, set, run with the Narwhals! Kilalanin natin ang isang MAAP alumnus mula sa Valkyrians Class of 2016 na class host para sa MAAP Fun Run 2026.
I'm Chief Officer Don Apao from MAAP Class 2016. I'm a licensed captain, master mariner. I'm currently on board, sailing on container ships. More than 12 years at sea already, sailing as Chief Officer on board. Pag nasa bakasyon din ako, I also teach in MAAP from time to time. Also, couple of times with Marina, ako doon, technical advisor nung sila STCW comprehensive review, and the last time during nag-visit si IMO Secretary General sa Manila for the IMO forum, I was also there. I was also invited as a panelist and speaker during that time.
Limitado ang alam ni Don Juan sa totoong buhay bago siya pumasok ng MAAP.
Ang pinaka di ko makakalimutan sa mga unang araw ko sa MAAP, nasunog ko yung uniform ko kasi hindi ako marunong magplancha. What I wanted to say is MAAP built me to be the man I am now. One of the things that I value na natutunan ko sa MAAP is the side that sometimes the school cannot teach you, yung pakikitungo sa ibang tao, yung paano mabuhay sa totoong mundo. Kasi isa din yan sa mga kailangan natin sa pagbabarko. We will be working with a lot of people on board from different different regions, di ba?
Bukod sa mga aral na nakuha niya sa akademya, ito rin ang tumatak kay Don Juan.
Best memories that I had sa loob, it would be the time I had with my classmates. Marami kasing maraming mga nangyari dun sa loob. Pero one of the things na hindi mo mawawala is yung mga kaibigan, yung mga classmates at yung mga kapatid na nabuo dun sa loob. Not by blood, but by sweat.
Kaya naman nagbalik tanaw si Don Juan sa nakalipas na 10 taon mula nang makagraduate siya sa MAAP.
Looking back from these 10 years namin, every time that I look back, ang naiisip ko ang laki nung binago ni MAAP sa buhay namin. And isa yan sa mga sinasabi ko sa mga kaklase ko. The fact that we are the 10th year host class, it comes with a price, no? Syempre, we have to contribute monetarily. And as a class, kailangan namin buuin yung budget na yan.
Bilang class host sa MAAP Fun Run sa taong ito ang mga naging paghahanda ng Class of 2016.
I think the best thing that we can offer in this fun run is, which hindi nila makikita sa ibang fun run, is the experience and the feeling of running on the same grounds the cadets have been running on the 4 years of their life dun sa loob ng academy. This is ito yung may o-offer namin sa kanila na experience. It's 5 kilometers, yes, pero it's a rolling terrain and especially they have to watch out, the most famous point doon na tinatawag namin, the dying point.
Ibinahagi naman ni Don Juan ang layunin ng Fun Run sa taong ito.
Yung Fun Run, it's to help us fund this year's homecoming. So when they joined the Fun Run, they contributed to that park. So when they will come back next year or this December, pag nakita nila yung park, makikita nila na, I was part of that collectively. This, I would like to thank our President, Vice Admiral Eduardo Mar Santos for approving this and for allowing this. Kasi yun yung isa sa mga pinakauna naming nilagay sa request letter namin, that we hope that MAAP will approve na it will be open for everybody. And we opened it even virtually.
Isang dekada man ang lumipas, para kay Don Juan, nakatatak na ang MAAP sa kanyang identity.
Something that keeps you back to the academy. Kasi once you become a cadet sa isang academy, it's part of your identity already. It's not only in MAAP. Once you graduated from this academy, as they always said, the hardest way out is by graduating. And once you did, it's part of your identity. Especially at sea, everybody tries to put the name of MAAP with you.
Kaya naman para kay Don Juan, babalik at babalik pa rin siya sa akademya.
I've been teaching since 2021, I think, on and off pag may bakasyon ako. Some people say, bakit di ka nagpapahinga? Kasi bakit nag-imbis na magpahinga ka, nagtuturo ka? I think it's because it's my passion to teach. And pag nakikita ko yung mga kadete dun sa loob, parang naalala ko yung sarili ko back then when I was inside. And to contribute to the school which made me who I am today, it fills my heart. No?
Bukod sa layunin ng Fun Run, nagmistula itong reunion para sa Class of 2016. Kaya naman ito ang mensahe ni Don Juan para sa inyo.
It's very hard to organize such an event, lalo na we are not professional organizers. How would I say? No, we are not professional organizers. Nobody is. No? In our class, we are seaman. Mga seaman po kami. And to organize such an event without prior experience, it's such a feat. No? But we will survive. To give back to this academy, it's our responsibility as the alumni. No? And this has been going on ever since class 2003, our pioneer class.
At ito naman ang kanyang mensahe para sa mga cadets.
To the cadets, kapit lang. Gagraduate din sila later on. Then they know it, sooner or later they will find themselves under the same umbrella than us, no? Under the alumni society. And after 10 years, more than 10 years from now, they will be on the same situation as we. No, and I hope they will do better when their time comes.
Saan man siya dalhin ng barko at gaano man kalayo ang maging paglalayag, hindi mawawala ang aral, pagkakaibigan at pagmamahal sa akademya na humubog kay Chief Officer Don Juan Apao.
This portion was brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fun, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. House Talk Inc., where your stories begin.